Are you tired of hearing in your judges' critiques, point your toes, stretch your feet, point your toes? As dancers, we put our heart and soul into every move and strive for perfection with each step. Yet it sounds like a broken record when we constantly hear the same judges' critiques. Point your toes. We get it. Makes beautiful lines. We want our feet pointed. I know, but as the dancer, you're thinking, I thought they were pointed. I thought I pointed my feet the whole time. I was really thinking about it, so why didn't it happen? What else even can I do? As we get tired, when we thought our feet were pointed, they actually look like a dead floppy fish. It's not your fault. There are two elements when we're talking about stretching our feet. There is the stretch, the flexibility of the foot and the ankle. And if you want to work more on your flexibility, check out my other video that I attached in the links below, because we are getting to the nitty-gritty of keeping those feet stretched all the way throughout the piece. In this video, we are talking about the strength of the foot. We are trying to work through that stamina as we get to the end of our song to keep pointing our toes. To stop hearing those dreaded words, point your toes, stretch your feet, we need to strengthen our feet. So I have 3 exercises to help you do that. First, we have 32 flex and points. You can just sit in an L-sit position, stretch through the ankle, point the toes, pull the toes back, and flex the whole foot. Stretch through the ankle, point the toes, pull the toes back, and flex the foot. 3, and stretch, and back, and flex 32 times. The second exercise I have for you is plie and releve. Sounds so simple, right? Plie, releve. We do it every day. We do it in ballet class. We do it in jazz. We do it in every class. Down, in, 2, and releve, in, 2. And 1, 2, and stretch, 2. Plie all the way, and stretch all the way up. Plie, and down, and stretch. Hold that releve. Excellent. The third exercise, tendus from first position. We're going to start with our heels together, stretch out the right foot. You're gonna hold on the 1. Then your toes are gonna go down and up on and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, close on 8. We go out 1, down, up, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and we closed on that 8. So the 3 exercises to help you strengthen your feet this week are the 32 flex and points, sitting on the ground, slow and controlled, and of course you can add that handy dandy TheraBand for extra strength. And the second one is plie releve. I want you to do it for a solid 2 minutes. Pick a song that's 2 minutes long. You could use David Bowie's Breaking Glass or one of your favorite songs, and plie and stretch, slow and controlled, using all your music, engaging through the belly, the tushy, and stretching all the way as we hit that high releve. And the third exercise was the tendus with the quick spring point in the toes. So it goes out and up, and using the musicality as well at the same time, so we're strengthening and working on our musicality skills, which, hey, that's a 2 for 1. Who doesn't love that? I want you to do this every day for 3 weeks. If you do, you are going to see a dramatic change in a pretty short amount of time. Please follow and subscribe as we have weekly videos coming out, and feel free to check out that stretch video in the link below. Follow your dreams.